Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic, Discovering Your True Self, a Journey Beyond the Mirror. Many years ago, a good friend, someone who truly cared about me, asked me a question. At the time, I didn't understand why he would ask me, "Why are you here?" Fast forward today, I invite you on a personal expedition. It is a journey of self discovery that transcends beyond the ordinary. So, if you're ready and willing to take this journey with me, let me begin. It is a journey beyond the mirror. This is more than a mere journey, it is a real attempt to peel back the layers of your life, to strip away societal shoulds and must do's and can't do's and all that stuff. It is a journey to unearth the passions, values, and dreams that define the true you. So, if you're ready to take this ride with me, let us begin this journey with a small yet profound act, standing in front of the mirror. This mirror is not for vanity or routine affirmation, it is a gateway to introspection. So, as you gaze or stare into this mirror, I urge you to look beyond the superficial, to confront the person staring back at you. This reflection is not just an image, this reflection is a canvas of potential, a map of the person you can become. So today, I am challenging you that you let this mirror be where your reset begins, where you face your flaws and embrace the journey to your authentic self. As you are looking in the mirror, here's a question for you to think about. And if you're so inclined, then you can answer. I told you about my situation many years ago when a friend who truly cared about me asked me, "Why are you here?" Well, today I am asking you, why are you here? This is a question I ask myself every day. I have discovered, and I'm discovering, that I am not about drifting aimlessly through my life. I know that you have a role in this life. So, answering this question, why are you here, is a call to action for you to find your unique purpose, for you to break free from the monotony of daily routines and to claim your role in the grand play of your life. Sounds like you're an actor, right? Well, maybe you are. The path to self discovery starts with inner peace. This peace is born from self compassion, acknowledging and accepting your imperfections, and forgiving your past. It is about silencing the chaos around you to listen to your heart, where your intentions and deepest desires lie. This inner tranquility is the cornerstone of intentional living. It is the bedrock upon which you make choices aligned with your deepest values and aspirations. It is about being fully present in the now, while at the same time keeping a keen eye on the future. In this equilibrium, you will find the bravery to step out of your comfort zone, embrace risk, and live a life that is authentically yours. In closing, I implore you not to wait for a distant someday to begin this transformative journey. The time is now. It is time for you to stand in front of the mirror and engage in this process of self exploration and growth. You must craft a life that genuinely mirrors who you are and why you are here. So, the next time you stand in front of the mirror, what you see, who you see, is you. Until next time, on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.